How's it going? I'm in my basement right now, and I'm going to give you a EDC update. I've been carrying for about a week. Some things have changed, some things have not have changed. And sorry for such as background. I'm in my basement. You're looking at one of my freezers. One and two back there. That's for another video, and that's some of my mom's dresses just getting washed. Okay, so number one is, you guessed it. What was that? Dun dun dun. Give you a little teaser. Oh. Give you a little bit more. Oh. Alright, I'll just let you first. It's the Kershaw Blur L-Max Black Wash Limited Run 525. I got this from my work. Yeah, guys, I work at a knife shop in Frederick, Maryland. And if you are subscribed to Equip to Endure, you might know the store. I'm not going to let you know. It's a surprise. And no, I am not lying. Look that number up. The number is 1670. B as in Bravo. W as in Whiskey. B as in Bravo. R as in Rum. 1760. L-Max Steel. Kent Onion Design Blur. That is Coyote Brown and Black Wash Straight Edge Stone Wash. Love this knife so far. I will have a full review in say about a month. Hopefully. Let's give you a little bit of knife porn to look. Oh, yeah. Granted, it's summertime. I always carry chapstick, medicated. Used to be a smoker. I am not anymore. Always carry one of them. Stay up there. Zebra. Bold. Ink pen. Always need one of them for signing in and out of timesheet. Swiss Army Knife Cadet, made by Victorinox. Oh yes, look at the battle wounds. And hang on. Look at this edge that I put on this dude's. Oh, dude, look. Hang on. Put that on myself. Flashlight. Oh, and to mention that paracord lanyard, that was done by my buddy at work. Look at that Cobra Stitch adjustable with a monkey ball. Awesome. And for light, you're gonna be up. Oh, there's some stuff. Here's my flashlight. Hang on. Okay, you see it? See that? That's 80 lumens. I'm sorry guys, I got my flash on my phone. You guys cannot see that. It's Terralux. Let me pick up some water storage for another video. You guys are back in. Made by Terralux. They're Light Star 80. made in the same factory as Streamlight. Alright, I don't know if you guys have seen this. I don't think you have, but what's my utility blade? It's definitely not that guy. Love that guy, it's my letter opener. Definitely not that guy. I whip that out. Besides at work, people are going to be like, what the hell? Well, what knife is in the mix? Oh, Beretta, you only have 2. Wait. There's 3. You guys have been paying attention to my channel. That is one of the knives I entered into Tactical. Give him a sub. Love him. Tac, if you're listening, dude, awesome. Keep it up, Playboy. Good shit. This is my Spyderco Dragonfly. This is my utility blade. This is my food prep if I need to. I usually make PB&Js for work. No need to cut them. So if I'm at work and I need to open up, say, letters, or if I just forget to carry this sexy thing, this turns into my utility blade. But I mainly use this for the, if I can do this one-handed. Sorry, I'm about to go off camera. Use my Cadet for this bit and that bit, the flatheads and the can opener and the cap lifter, because you know your boy Beretta loves some beer. Put this bad boy back in picture. Oh yeah, that is the steel flashlight and chapstick I carry, and then the Max Edition hard use gear wallet. This thing is about 5 years old. Love this wallet. Got it from the place that I work before I became an employee. So there's that. Then the same friend that made my Cadet lanyard at work made me this Cobra Stitch with the ball paracord bracelet. I think there's 25 feet or 20 feet of paracord in there. And then about 2 years ago I got the G-Shock solar powered watch from my mom and dad for Christmas. And yes, you can tell I'm on the East Coast. It's late. That's an EDC video. I can't really say it's an update per se, because this is just what I have on me. You guys have seen what's in my bag. That will be in another video. So, this is Beretta signing off. Later.